This is a video for chapter 1.2 homework solutions. We only had one question there. It was problem number 20. And problem number 20 introduced the idea of young couples who marry or cohabitate, live together, are more likely to gain weight than those who stay single. Researchers followed 8,000 men and women for 7 years. So it seems like a pretty comprehensive study. At the start of the study, none of the participants were married or living with their romantic partner. The researchers found that women who married or cohabitated during this study gained 9 pounds, more than single women, and married or cohabitating men gained 6 pounds. So does that mean that if you get married or live with somebody, you're going to gain weight more than someone who stays single? That's the question. We can answer that question by collecting data. And so they followed them and collected the data. How would you do that? You would weigh someone before the study, weigh someone at the end of the study, and see if they gained more weight. First question, why is this an observational study? And in this case, it's not an experimental design, right? It's an observation. We're just collecting their weight. It may seem like an experiment, but we're not altering anything. We're letting those individuals just live in the world, and they either gain weight or don't gain weight. And so this is an observational study because no attempt was made to manipulate or influence the variable of interest, right, which were those people. There's a cohort study. This is a cohort study because researchers identified individuals to be included in the study, then followed them over time, right? Second question, what is the response variable in the study? And what is the explanatory? Those are very important questions, right? Identifying the variables in this case. And the response variable is whether someone gained weight and how much weight they gained. The explanatory variable, they were predicting that whether you were single or married or living with someone, you would be able to predict, right, whether they gain weight or not. And the number C, identify some potential lurking variables. And lurking variables, again, are things you didn't think of before the study. And so what are some other potential things? Eating habits of the people, the exercise routine, again, whether they have children or not. All of that are variables that go beyond just whether you're married, single, or have children. They're all kind of could be related, but those are lurking, right? Those could be more the reason why people gain weight or not. And then D, can you conclude that getting married or cohabitating causes one to gain weight? Whatever your personal opinion is in this case, it has to be based off of the data. And in this case, we would say no, since it's an observational study. We can only say that married or cohabitating is associated with weight gain. We cannot say that it actually causes it, right? An observational study doesn't allow us to draw those full conclusive that it is really the effect that causes that. That's it.